The severe weather has caused flows and water levels in the main stem of the Ottawa River to continue to rise, prompting authorities to issue flood warnings in several areas. This is due to increased runoff from recent rainfall combined with snowmelt from mountainous areas in the basin. Minor flooding has occurred in Pembroke, Coulonge and Britannia Lakes, and is expected to occur in Mattawa and Chats Lakes on Thursday. The flooding could reach or exceed major flood levels in Mattawa and from Coulonge to Deschenes Lakes, depending on the rate of snowmelt and the amount of rainfall expected on Friday. Several videos circulating on social media show areas in Ottawa already experiencing flooding since Thursday.
Righto, so about 9:30 on Monday the 10th of March 2025, and we've had a fair bit of rain overnight.
This is insane.
A major flood level is defined as the level at which one or more streets begin to flood, affecting multiple homes, buildings or neighborhoods. Current water levels are expected to remain well below historical flood levels in the main stem of the Ottawa River. Authorities have appealed to the public to remain vigilant and careful when carrying out outdoor activities due to the bad weather conditions that have hit the area over the past few days.
A number of years ago, and yeah, pretty swollen. So day 5 of being stuck in the house.